Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Before watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Today I want to tell you about cryptocurrency or Bitcoin. Short-term stock having regularly buys the Bitcoin dip, says crypto desperately needs policy. Short things start having you ready. Economist Wonderful says he has bought the dip during the recent cryptocurrency market sell of his debts. Now crypto itself desperately needs policy. It needs regulation. Kevin O'Reilly buys the dip calls on Bitcoin freeze. Kevin O'Reilly shared his crypto market outlook and investment strategy during this bear market in an interview with Stanbury Research published today. AC Bitcoin sold off testing $20,000 all the time, getting a lot of percentage. He said when asked about the status of the cryptocurrency, I didn't get BTC seems to be holding between $20 and $23, still very profitable for Bitcoin miners that are currently mining at about $7,000 per coin at sale. He opened. There has been a keen reaction against Bitcoin miners lately because of ESG, social and corporate governance concerns, but they also sell currency by getting involved in nuclear and hydropower, which EU now is planned for in some countries like Norway. Already explained. The short-term style continued. Now crypto itself desperately needs policy. It needs regulation. Already explained. There was a bill just 2 weeks that was contemplated being proceeded, not on Bitcoin, just stablecoins as payment system, and as you know that's been a very volatile area. Noting that the bill has been studied for September history, 18 years, 50 chances that we will have policy on basically stablecoin tied to the US dollar. Mr. Wonderful detailed. Let me explain specifically why I think it's going to happen. There is a tough war going on between the SEC and every other regulator as regards to crypto and FTS token, all of this stuff. That's my regulation. And the foreign are saying wait as called let's take on quick let's just the payment system. Okay guys, maybe just this. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. See you